What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have a bathroom faucet. We are going to go over this. I want to say salute to the company that sent this in. They like the way I do my reviews and they like the way I do the installs. So if you bought this and you want to see it installed, or if you're looking to buy this and you just want to see the unboxing to see what it looked like, you landed on the right channel. So they have a quick installation guide. Let's go ahead and check this out. And wow, is this thing massive. You look at it online and it don't look that massive, but wow, this thing is big. Jeez Louise, you guys. Wow, this is insane. And it's heavy. This is not a toy. All right, you guys, so I have reviewed plenty of faucets in my day. One thing I can say about this is the heaviest faucet that I have ever dealt with. We have your hot water and your cold water lines, and they do feel like it's good quality. Let me do this for y'all. Wow, this is, you guys, 1 foot from the top part of it. But if I go from the handle, you got about 13 inches. From the bottom of the base to the water line, you got about a good 20 inches to play with. Another cool thing is they have a pop-up drain. This is a one hole install, okay? So if you have one hole, then this is a perfect product for you. If you have 3 holes, there's not a base, at least that I don't see. There's no base here that covers your 3 holes, so that's it. Nothing else inside. So right there on the waterfall, there is a filter right there. And then you have your hot and cold right here. It tells you where it's hot and cold. And this thing moves very well. Like, this thing feels like a lot of quality was put into this. Pop-up drain is not a overflow. Sorry. So if you have a vanity that have the overflow hole, you should have a hole right here on your drain, your pop-up drains. But if you do not have a hole on your pop-up drains, do not use this in the overflow. All right, I know it's kind of hard to explain, but don't use this on the overflow, or if you do use this, don't overflow your sink. Simple as that. I'm going to install this faucet. I have the instructions somewhere and I lost them, can't find them. So I'm going to do this the best that I can from installing all of these faucets before. You have your washer right here. Some people may want to use plumber's putty, I understand, but I have been using the washer and I have been successful with it. Now, this is a type of drainage where there is no overflow for this, okay? So if you had an overflow sink, you would have like a hole going all the way around just for your overflow of water. If, you know, your kids leave your sink on and they leave the drain closed and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and take this off. So that's what that is for. So we took the bottom off, and this is to go on the bottom because this is to seal the bottom of the drain once it's on. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that inside, well, of this. Sorry. So I'm going to go ahead and stick that inside of here. And remember to have this washer on top right here. This washer needs to be on top. And it looks like it fits pretty good. All right, you guys, so we are going to go ahead and put the washer on. So, washer, seal, whatever. We're going to put this little washer on donut style. We're going to put the head on top like this. We're not going to install it like this, okay? We're going to install it with the donut part going up. So we will have it up like this. That way it can seep inside of the hole right there. So y'all see how it seals the hole right there? Then we're going to go ahead and put our nut on there. And while I'm a one-handed bandit, I will post y'all somewhere else so I can tighten this up properly. So I have to hold the top because if you do this with one hand, of course, you're turning the whole thing. There we go, it's getting tight. All right, so no water should get through there. So if you want to close your drain, stop water. And it's kind of cool because it's still like, the drain still look like it's up. It don't look like it's closed. And that's the drain when it's open. This look like a O-ring that goes on top of this, or on the bottom of this. We put that inside right here. So we're gonna go ahead and put this nut piece on. There we go. We're going to screw that on just like that. This should go on the bottom, so we are going to take this off. Take it off, take it off, take it off. You guys, this unit is big. It's really tall. This is basically for the bottom, so you can hold in your bottom piece. Well, you can hold this whole piece from the bottom. So that's what it looks like. So I do have the O-ring under here to protect it from getting wet. And yeah. So let's go ahead. Now I can put this part underneath, and then we have this nut right here. And then we have the screw, the socket, wrench, whatever you want to call this thing. We have that, and then we'll screw it up, tighten it up, tighten up the water lines, and be done. All right, you guys, I have y'all in the most uncomfortable position that I can be in, but you know, this is for the content. So let's go ahead. I'm going to go ahead and put that on there. And I might have to hold it from the top. This is pretty cool. I actually like this way to install a faucet. I think all faucets should be like that. Nice and easy, all right? And if you want to tighten it, there you go. You guys, that's nice and easy. One thing I could say is they gave us a good amount of line as far as the water line, but I forgot what's cold and hot. I think right is cold and then to the left is hot. I believe. Now you always double check and make sure you have your O-ring in there. Always double check that. So we are going to go ahead and put this on. This one is good. All I got to do is tighten it some. I'm going to tighten it, but I'm not going to tighten it like super tight. A little turn. I'm going to give this one a little turn. I have to put this back on. All right, now I can concentrate. Definitely smell like bleach, but disgusting. In here, when you turn on your water, make sure you turn it on slow, okay? Don't just say, all right? Turn on the water slowly. Make sure you have paper towels lined up and a bucket. Right now we have bucket, and I'm up most of the night, so I always periodically check, or check periodically, however I'm supposed to put that in a sentence. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the cold water very lightly, seeing if I have any leaks. All right, now the valve is dripping a little bit, but a lot of times these old valves, sometimes it drips and the drip will go away. You just have to wait. If not, I will do like I did downstairs in the hall bathroom in the first level. If y'all seen that video, I clipped them. All right, I clipped them. I changed out the old valves. I put new valves in. I don't have time for old valves, you guys. We're done. We're done, you guys. Now it's time to see the action. We are going to lift it up nice and slowly because there's going to be air coming out. All right. The flow is a decent flow, you guys. And I believe I put it in the right way. Yep. I put the water line on the right spot, you guys. If you have a triple hole faucet that's real close to each other, I believe you could get a basin. You know, one of those basins that you can cover the holes, and you could put this on top. So you can get one of those if you want to use this. This will be nice if you have a little mini bar and you want to use like a single faucet, this will be pretty cool as well. And yeah, that's about it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.